Today I'm going to work on a fraud detection dataset, and this is a code for the dataset. These are the tables and the data. So let me copy this, paste it over here, and we have 5 different tables. First one is card holder, and there are 25 distinct card holder and 53 different cards, 150 subcategory and 5 major category. And we have another table called transaction, and these are the details from the transaction table. First we are going to do data cleaning, and under data cleaning the first thing we are going to do is find for a duplicate rows. For that we just run this query, and is there is no data, our transaction table does not contain any duplicate rows. Let me remove extra spaces from the different dimension, like from card holder name, from credit card, and merchant category, also from the transaction. The database is already neat and clean. Now let me do some exploratory data analysis. The first one is dimension exploration. Let me see the different dimension, and to talk about the first one is card holder and distinct name. There is 25 distinct card holder and 53 distinct cards, 150 distinct subcategory and 5 major category. Now let me do a date exploration. The minimum date is 2018 January 1st and the maximum date is 2018 December 31st. So our dataset is of 2018 time frame. Let me do major exploration, and the first one is total spending. The total spending is 1,42,761. Average spending by each cardholder 5,710. Minimum spending is 0.5. Maximum is 2,249. Total card holders are 25, and above all data in one view, I have created a table like this. And now let me create a view for this. Okay, the query has successfully run. Select everything from this table. This is our view, and yes, total card holder, total spending, average spending per card holder, average spending per use, minimum spending, maximum spending. Perfect. Now let me do magnitude analysis. Magnitude analysis is grouping by the dimension. The first one is card holder with total spending, and these are the list of card holder that is ordered in a total spending descending. And our second one is card holder with highest average spending. This is a total spending, total transaction count, and if we divide total spending by transaction count, we are going to get the average spending. Third one is highest spending merchant category. So the pub is the highest spending category, followed by restaurant and bar. Must use credit cards are, these are the credit card that are mostly used and their associated cardholder name. Now we are going to do a ranking analysis. Top 5 spending card, top 5 spending card holder. These are the name of a top 5 card holder with the most spending that are ranked from 1 to 5. And most spending merchant category for each cardholder. Okay, let me execute this. And these are the name of a cardholder and their highest spending merchant category, that is ranked 1. Okay, we have filter where the rank is 1. Okay, now let's do data analysis. Measure exploration by date or comparison. First, let me execute this. Okay, we have just created a view. Now let me call that view everything from, select everything from measure by date. Okay, and there is a lot of data like the distinct month and respective total spending in the month, the percentage contributed, spending monthly, above average, below average, transaction count in the particular month, how many transactions are held, average spending, running total, and moving averages. You can pause the video and explore the dataset or the view. Data analysis focuses on finding fraudental transaction. So first one is the high value transaction. High value transaction simply means the name and their respective particular transaction with a high value, and multiple credit card per cardholder. And these are the name or the cardholders with the maximum amount of card. Frequent transaction at same merchant. Okay, these are the cardholder name and respective merchant category, also the subcategory. And they have used their card in the bar Vancouver Parker 5 times. And this scene Taylor has used their card in bar Griffon Woodard for the 4 time. Likewise, there is a lot of data. You can just pause the video and explore the dimension and flag transaction in the high risk category, that is pub and bar. I have filtered the data by pub and bar. And you can see the cardholder name and respective merchant category with spending and how many times they have used their card. Now let me go to the advanced analysis, that is cardholder with the late time order, that is outside of business hour from 10 to 4, 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. or weekend order. I've just used a filter, so either the day is in Saturday or Sunday, or after 10, or before 4. So if any of this category meets, we are going to get our data. Let me just execute the query. And okay, and these are the cardholder name with the total number of transactions they have done using the card and the total amount they have spent in a unusual time frame, that is filtered by the this where function. And the next one is monthly spending above double average, that is the average of average. And the query is a bit long because we have extracted month and all. We have used a Windows function called average partition by name, and we have filtered that where the average spending is greater than the total average. And again we have used the average, that is a average of average. And at last we have used a case statement to show that is either above average or below average. Let me execute all the query. And you can see the name of a cardholder and their respective average spending per month. And this is a total average of all these month combined. And this is a case function where we have shown that is either above average or the below average. For the this cardholder, we can see these are the average spending per month, and the month is over here, that is February, April, and so on, November. And the average for 1 2 3 4 5, these 6 months is over here. And this is a case function to show either the average spending is above average or the below average. And the above average is a suspicious spending indication because we have done the average of average.